the best way to ensure that you're consistent with your content is making sure to get it scheduled. There are plenty of schedulers out there, but there's one that's free and it's actually a part of the Meta suite. So using it is less likely to affect your content's output. I'm going to show you how to use the Meta Business Suite to schedule your content for Facebook and Instagram. You can use this for both static posts, videos, even stories. Be sure and like and subscribe to this account to learn more about how to use social media for your business.
So you're going to start from your facebook.com and then you need to move into your profile. So you can do that by clicking on your picture on the right side and click see all profiles. I'm going to work on the Keyheart Marketing one. Once you are in this area, you are going to head to the Meta Business Suite. And from the Meta Business Suite, it actually just put me in a different page over here. So I'm hitting this drop down menu. And then I'm going to go to the Keyheart Marketing page. From the Meta Business Suite on this front page here, this is my home page. It has messages. These are all spam, but they're from Facebook and Instagram. And then there's also the option here. It's showing me some of my content. It's showing me my insights and things like that. From this page on the left side, I'm going to go to the planner. Now, on this planner page, you can view it for the week or you can view it for the month. And you're going to see all of the posts that I have posted on Facebook and Instagram. And if I had any scheduled, you would see those here as well. To create a post, on this right-hand side up at the top, the blue button has a create button and a drop-down. From the drop-down, you can choose create a post, create a story, create a reel, etc. So we're going to create a post. And right now it says post to, and it's showing my Facebook page. I can click that drop-down and I can choose both of them. You can also publish to Facebook groups that you are the admin of. So here are some of the groups that I own. And then we're going to start to create our post. I'm going to add a photo here and then my text. This toggle gives us the option to customize the post for Facebook and Instagram, and I highly recommend that you do this. So I'm going to toggle over and then I'm not going to put any hashtags on my Facebook text, but I am going to add my hashtags to my Instagram text. From here, I'm going to click schedule. So I have what time and what day I'm going to schedule to Facebook and what time and what day I'm going to schedule to Instagram. I also have this option of looking at active times. So this shows the active times for my accounts. So tomorrow at 7 p.m., tomorrow at 4 p.m. on Instagram, and I'm going to save that. And then I'm going to hit schedule. If you look, there are some other options here. We could have hit publish now. So then those would go to both of my profiles right now. And we can also save it to a draft, come back to it later. From here, you can also preview. So this is the Instagram feed preview, and we can look at Facebook. So Facebook text goes on the top. Instagram text goes on the bottom. And we're going to hit schedule. Okay, so it's saying that we can schedule another post now. I'm going to say maybe later. And now we can see I have this post scheduled at 4 p.m. on Thursday. So now let's say I don't want this post anymore. I'm going to go to the left-hand side again and look at content. So right here, I'm looking at all of the posts that have been published on Facebook and Instagram. And at the top, you can see I have options for published, scheduled, drafts, expiring, or expired. So I'm going to go to scheduled. And I can see both of my posts that I've scheduled here. So I'm going to click on both of those and I'm actually going to delete them. I could also move them to drafts. I'm going to delete them for now. And now I don't have anything scheduled. And we can go over to drafts. I don't have any drafts, but if you did decide to create a draft, that's what you'll see here. Just some other things to look at while you're here in the Meta Business Suite is insights. So you can choose the date range that you're looking at. So we can look at the last 28 days, 90 days, custom, last 7 days. And then we can start to see some of our analytics. So Facebook reach, Instagram reach. We can look at page growth. And if you go to results, it kind of breaks it down a little bit more. Profile visits, new followers. And then you can also look at insights on your content. So how many people it reached, what type of engagement it got. This also shows your stories, your reels, your posts. Another tool that is neat to use here is the inbox. So I have both Facebook and Instagram connected. So I can see all my messages and comments and everything for Facebook and Instagram, or I could break it down and look at different things here. And if you just want to see the notifications for your page so you don't miss them, notifications are here. This is a cool button. It has people who've reacted to your post that don't like it already. We can send those 7 invites. And now they're being asked if they want to like our page.